time of year to collect seeds.
Mm-hmm. Oh, listen.
What is that? Train?
I don't know. What's that rounded thing over there? Do you see it?
Mm-mm.
Right there?
Round?
Kind of round.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. Is that a mushroom?
Is it?
Is this chicken of the woods? I'm really so small.
Oh, it is. Are those chicken of the woods?
It actually looks like head of the woods.
Hen of the woods?
Yeah.
Oh my wow. Wow. Yeah, it does. Look at that.
Oh, that would have been good eating.
Yes. Wow, it's all along the tree. Look at that.
Look at, oh, this is chicken of the woods. Damn.
Well, we know it's here now, so.
Oh man.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yes. This is my favorite thing to eat ever. On the
Well,
whole planet.
we'll have to come out more often.